Cats go camping, part 2. I don't know what to do, Banana. We're going to die. Bring him out. Diana, what are you doing here? I don't know. I'm in love with you, and if you don't come with me, I'm gonna kill your friend and you. Run away! Holy cow! Save yourself! Just take off the flashlight, stupid! Sorry. We're stuck. We're stuck. Unless we open the window. No, the window's jammed. We're stuck. Help us! Help us! We tried to get away last. Camping isn't a nice thing until everybody gets hurt. And when somebody gets hurt, there's always a problem. You're going to die, you're going to get majorly hurt, and I'll come save you. I like that idea. See you in an hour. Blah, 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 blah. Oh man, we're going to die. You're going to die. I'm going to die, not you.
That's like the cattle.